DocuWare optimizes a company's supplier invoice process, eliminating repetitive user tasks and automating the reconciliation process. The purchase order is entered into DocuWare, and line items are automatically captured detailing specific amounts and quantities. DocuWare checks the status of goods associated with the entered order. Once the goods arrive, delivery notes are entered. DocuWare is able to capture order numbers found in the delivery note lines. Finally, entries update the stocks labels. Warehouse personnel conduct an initial verification to ensure the received material matches the requested material. The user can view the link between the delivery note and the different orders from the Vínculos tab. If the user does not catch an error, DocuWare will do so. The following is an example. Once the invoice arrives, it is archived and all data is captured, including line item details. Once archived, an approval task will be generated. DocuWare performs a cross-check among the three documents: invoice, delivery note, and purchase order. The reconciliation process is automatic. In this instance, we see that DocuWare has detected several errors. 3 of the 4 lines contain errors. The first line shows a discrepancy in the billed quantity and amount. You can see that the billed quantity is greater than the quantity on the purchase order and delivery note. This will affect the total amount. The second line shows a discrepancy in the billed amount and unit price. In this case, the quantity is correct. However, we can see that the unit price on the purchase order is lower than the invoice price. The third line is correct. And in the fourth, there is a discrepancy in both the amount and the quantity delivered. The table shows that the quantity delivered is less than both the requested and the billed quantity. The user will mark the invoice as incorrect and may add a comment. DocuWare has completed the reconciliation process automatically. The user selects Solicitar nueva factura, that means request new invoices, from the available options. The supplier receives an email requesting correction of the invoice. Once the corrected invoice is sent, the validation process begins again. Finally, if everything is correct, the invoice will be posted.